Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send effect on Instagram Reels to your friends. Now let's get started. First, open your Reels menu at Reels button, and after this, if you wanna send send effect on your Reels Instagram, you can maybe in this reel, and then in here you can see this effect, so you just click on the effect. Okay, and after this you can click on the send icon at the top. This one, you can click on it, and now you can click you wanna send this effect to your friend. In here I wanna send to this friend. This is my sister, so you can click on it, and after this you can click done. Okay, you can check on your GM. You can click on your GM, and then in here you can open your chat with your friend or your sister, and then in here the effect has been sent to your friends. So that's how to send effect on Instagram Reels to your friend. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.